Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, how to add hyperlink in Google Sheets. Let's begin. First of all, open your Google spreadsheet, then edit links, click any cells, right click or go to insert tab, see this link, click link and search or paste link or type manually. Example, sorry, www.google.com. Example, I manually type to this link, apply. And now we can see this add hyperlink. Click here. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.